Alright, today's video is going to be about how to access our Phys Ed program on our new webpage. So the easiest way to get to it is go to Fraser R78A, our normal classroom, go up to classwork, and go down to Phys Ed, which is the third one from the top on the left hand side. And it's a little bit misleading. It shows up as sign in and Google accounts. If you click on that, you should get to the webpage. It is restricted to Ottawa Carleton District School Board students only, so you will have to make sure that you're logged in on your your school Gmail account. And then there's a few things going on in this webpage. It's brand new, so if you find any typos, let me know. And we have our fitness tracker up here. So what this means is this helps you keep track of your own fitness and your goals, but also helps me create a mark for you at the end of the unit. And if you click on that, you should find the same tracker form that we used back in January. I'll go through it very quickly. Name, date. So you can put these in like a day after if you forgot to put it in or something like that. Your goal for this exercise. This is one that I'm actually going to really be looking for. Not only do I want you going outside and playing basketball, soccer, a skipping ropes, doing our workout of the week, I want you to set a goal. And then what exercise did you end up completing? So it could be skipping rope, could be basketball, could be soccer. Was this part of the workout that I gave you? So I have a whole web page now about all these different workouts, and every week I'm going to be posting a new workout. Was this part of a web page? Doesn't have to be. If it's not part of the web page, that's fine. Just let me know. And then how many minutes did you exercise for? Did you achieve your goal? So this goes back to the very beginning. What is your goal? So if you're playing basketball, do you want to get a ton of 3-pointers? Do you want to get at least 3 minutes without tripping on your rope? Did you get your goal? And then for next time, do you want to have a new goal for next time? You do want to have a goal, and I want to know what that goal is. So let's take the skipping rope example. If you were skipping rope for 3 minutes, this time you want to be able to get to 3.5 minutes. Then overall, you want to rate your workout. So was it awful? Was it fantastic? Just give me something in between. This will not affect your mark. I'm just curious how it's going to go. Then we're going to hop back to the web page. And then here we have the workout of the week. I should update this once a week. If you click on that, you'll notice that we have very colorful a workout for every week. In this case, it's jumping jacks, it has shoulder taps, it has seal jacks, it has shoulder taps again, a side jacks, and shoulder taps again. Like this is where you're going up and tapping your shoulder when you're in a plank. So it's going to be a lot of shoulder work. And then you'll notice in here you have levels, or on the side you have levels as well. And can you do 7 sets? That means you're doing 7 rotations of this with only 2 minutes rest in between. So if you are able to do 7 sets, you got to level 3, or you got the gold level standard. So that could be part of your goal that you do in the Google form. Okay, other things that you can find on this webpage. I found lots of fun, sort of good ways to get physically active. There's Just Dance, so that you might remember that from a couple years ago. There's a whole webpage on just a soccer drills you could do, a whole very similar webpage on baseball drills you could do. If you're still loving volleyball, fantastic. There's 6 workouts that you could do with just a volleyball at home. Doesn't have to be a volleyball. I'm sure you could use another ball also. Just make sure you don't break a window. Then there's a video on how to play Foursquare. I even found a cool trail. It's called Piney Trail. It's in sort of this neighborhood, and there's lots of hikes you could do around there. That also counts. Just make sure you ask for your parents' permission first. And of course, jumping rope. And then I provide a few other areas of interest if you are interested. How to stay safe, a little bit of first aid knowledge, a Canada's food guide, and why is it important to drink water? We're starting to get into the season of it's pretty hot outside. Make sure you drink water, but of course respect if you are celebrating Ramadan or anything like that. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. And again, if there's any typos on the webpage, please let me know. Thank you.